GeopByte.
Hello students, welcome to GeopByte. In the previous class, we discussed about how well have you learned about decimal numbers. Today, let us see exercise 2.5. Let us see the first question. Which is greater? This is the first question. Like in that first one is we are having 0.5 or 0.05. So we need to identify which is greater, whether 0.5 is greater or 0.05 is greater. Now, by comparing one's position first, like we are having 0.5, 0.05. If we compare at one's place, we are having 0 in first number as well as in second number also we are having 0. So both are equal. Then we will be comparing the 10th place. The 10th place is nothing but in 10th place here we are having 5 and here we are having in second number we are having 0. So comparing the 10th place, we get here in first number we are having 5, in second number we are having 0. So we can say that 5 greater than 0. So comparing the 10th place we get 5 greater than 0. So therefore 0.5 is greater than 0.05. Next, second one. 0.7 or 0.5. Which is greater? We are having 0.7, 0.5. First, let us compare ones place. In ones place, in first digit we are having 0 and in second digit also we are having 0. So both are equal. So let us compare the next digit, that is 10th place. Here in first number at 10th place we are having 7 and in second number at 10th place we are having 5. So when we are comparing 7 with 5, so 7 is greater than 5, right? So we'll write the statement. Comparing the 10th place, we get 7 greater than 5. In first number we are having 7, in second number we are having 5, right? So 7 is greater than 5. So therefore we can say that 0.7 is greater than 0.5. Third one. 7 or 0.7. So we are having 7 is one number and one more number is 0.7. Now let us compare the ones place numbers. So here we are having only one digit, that is 7. Here we are having 0.7. So two digits. Now if you are comparing the ones place digits, So here we are having 7 and here we are having 0. So 7 greater than 0. Comparing the ones place, we get 7 greater than 0. So therefore 7 greater than 0.7. Next, fourth one. 1.37 or 1.49. So which is greater? So which is greater? So again we need to compare the digits. 1.37, 1.49. So first let us compare the digits at ones place. So at ones place we are having 1. In second number also we are having 1. So both are equal. So we need to go to the next digit. So in the next digit at 10th place we are having 3, and in second number at 10th place we are having 4. So 3 is less than 4, or we can say that 4 is greater than 3. Comparing the tenth place, we get 3 less than 4. So therefore we can say that 1.37 is less than 1.49, or we can also say that 1.49 is greater than 1.37. So which is greater means among 1.37 and 1.49, which is greater means 1.49 is greater. Next, fifth question. 2.03 or 2.30. We are having two numbers. We need to compare these two numbers and we need to find which is greater. So 2.03 and one more is 2.30. Now let us compare the ones place digits. In first number we are having 2. In second one also we are having 2. So if we are comparing both the numbers, both are equal. So we need to go to the next position. So in next place, that means 10th place. In 10th place we are having 0. In second number in 10th place we are having 3. So by comparing the 10th place, we get 0 is less than 3 or 3 greater than 0. So therefore we can say that comparing the 10th place, we get 0 less than 3. So therefore 2.03 is less than 2.30, or we can also say 2.30 is greater than 2.03. Next, sixth one. 0.8 or 0.88. 0.8 or 0.88. So we need to compare these two. 0.8 or 0.88. Yeah, first compare the ones place digits, that is 0, and in second number also we are having 0. So 0 and 0 both are equal. So then we need to compare the tenths place. If we are comparing the tenths place digits, here we are having 8 and here also we are having 8. So both are equal. So whenever both are equal, then we need to compare the next position, that is 100th place. So if you are comparing here in 100th place, nothing is there. That means we'll treat as 0. And in second number at 100th place, we are having 8. So here what happens? Here at 10th place, both are equal. So that's why we are going with the next place. Since tenth place is same. So that's why we need to go to the next place, that is 100th place. So we need to compare the 100th place numbers. In first digit, we are not having any number, that means 0. And in second number, we are having 8. So we can say that 0 less than 8. Comparing the hundredth place, we get 0 less than 8. Therefore, 0.8 is less than 0.88 or 0.88 is greater than 0.80. So among 0.8 and 0.88, 0.88 is greater. The remaining topics will be covered in the next video. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to GeopByte.
GeopByte.